How to display products from a specific manufacturer and narrow down the search results to a specific category. You can do this in 3 ways. First method. Expand the manufacturer's menu in the top navigation bar, then select the manufacturer you're interested in. This will display all products from that manufacturer. You can now narrow down the search results by selecting a specific category. Second method. Expand the categories menu and choose the section you're interested in. Then display all products within that section. Next, use the filters to select the manufacturer you're interested in. You can continue narrowing down the results by expanding the category filter. Third method. Type the name of the manufacturer you're interested in into the search field, then display all search results. The button is located below the suggestions. You can further narrow down the results by opening the category filter and selecting the section you're interested in.